When you get down to it, there's really only 3 words that will determine whether you succeed as a YouTuber or not. Data reveals that only 3.4% out of over 100 million YouTube channels have at least 10,000 subscribers. I know, that's pretty discouraging, but stay with me. A more encouraging statistic is that 10.1 million YouTube channels have at least 1,000 subscribers. The 1,000 subscribers goal is the first threshold you need to reach to get monetized. In addition, you need 4,000 watch time hours in the last 365 days. If nearly 10 million people on planet Earth reach the 1,000 subscriber threshold, why can't you? The answer is, you can. Since 2017, the number of YouTube content creators like you who earn 5 figures per year is up by 35%, and those earning 6 figures a year is up by a whopping 40%. This basically means that more and more small YouTubers are making money. But what is the biggest reason you are not experiencing success? This is the number 1 secret that I promised to share with you in the title of this video. Do you know the great baseball legend, Babe Ruth? He was known as the home run king. In fact, he held the home run record for 34 years. But what a lot of people don't know is that in trying to hit a lot of home runs, he also struck out a lot. In fact, in 1923, he had more strikeouts than any other player in Major League Baseball. When he got up to bat, he always tried to swing the bat right through the ball and tried to hit the ball out of the park. He is famous for saying, "Never let the fear of striking out get in your way." He saw fear of failure as just another small obstacle to overcome in his greater pursuit of trying to become the home run king. Today, he isn't remembered for striking out. He's admired for being one of the greatest home run kings to ever play the game. But this isn't a video about baseball, is it? No, not exactly, but this story has everything to do with the secret that I'm going to share with you. You see, this may sound obvious, but the reason people don't succeed in any area, not just baseball, is that they give up. Let's think about this a little deeper. If you upload 1 YouTube video and give up, is that any different than making 20 and giving up? And is that any different than giving up after making 40 videos? The point is, though there is no guarantee of success in anything, including YouTube, there is a 100% guarantee that you will not make it if you give up. The only way to success is not giving up until you reach your goal, no matter how long it takes. So you have to ask yourself, and answer yourself honestly. How many videos will you upload before you get discouraged and quit? You see, whatever that number is, the very next video may have been the one to get you over the tipping point. So here's the number 1 secret to YouTube success. It's only 3 words. Never give up. I don't even say never give up until you reach your goals, because when you reach your goals, you'll get so excited that you'll just want to keep going. I'll be more specific. Make videos in a very specific niche, and upload videos on a regular basis, at least 1 per week, and keep going until you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Once you reach that, you'll have the motivation you need to keep going. Until then, you grind every week. Commit to this. It may very well be the difference between being the strikeout king and the home run king. Lastly, if you have the will and the means, the quickest way to YouTube success is to learn from a YouTube master who has already done what you want to do. Matt Parr has over 10 very successful YouTube channels and offers what I believe is the best course on how to make money on YouTube. There's a link in the description you can check out. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.